As a project management expert, I often encounter questions about the fundamental aspects of the tools we rely on daily. One such crucial question, especially for those new to the digital project management landscape or for organizations with stringent data security protocols, is, where exactly does Basecamp store all our valuable project data? It's a valid and important inquiry. In today's world, understanding where your information resides, how it's protected, and the infrastructure supporting it is paramount. Think of it like knowing where your important physical documents are stored. You want to be sure they're safe, organized, and accessible when you need them. The same principle applies to your digital project assets within Basecamp. So, let's demystify the digital warehouse of Basecamp and break down where your tasks, discussions, files, and schedules ultimately reside. The core answer: Amazon Web Services, AWS. The primary answer to where Basecamp stores its data is Amazon Web Services, AWS. This is a name you'll often hear in the tech world, and for good reason. AWS is a comprehensive and widely adopted cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. It offers a vast array of services, one including data storage, computing power, and content delivery. 1. www.interviewzen.com. www.interviewzen.com. Basecamp, like many other successful software-as-a-service (SaaS) platforms, leverages the robust and scalable infrastructure of AWS to host its application and all the data associated with its users' accounts. Why AWS? Understanding the benefits. The decision for Basecamp to utilize AWS isn't arbitrary. It's a strategic choice driven by several key advantages that ultimately benefit you, the user. Scalability. Project needs can fluctuate. Sometimes you're managing a small team with a few tasks, and other times you're handling large, complex projects with numerous collaborators and a wealth of information. AWS provides the elasticity to scale resources up or down as needed, ensuring Basecamp can handle the demands of any project size without performance issues. Your data storage can grow seamlessly as your projects evolve. Reliability and availability. Imagine if your project management tool went down frequently. It would disrupt workflows, cause delays, and lead to frustration. AWS boasts a highly reliable infrastructure with multiple data centers across the globe. This redundancy means that even if there's an issue in one location, your data is likely mirrored in others, ensuring high availability and minimizing downtime for Basecamp users. Security. Data security is a top priority for any platform handling sensitive project information. AWS invests heavily in security measures, including physical security of their data centers, network security, and data encryption. By leveraging AWS, Basecamp benefits from these robust security protocols, providing a secure environment for your project data. While Basecamp also implements its own security layers on top of AWS, the underlying infrastructure is built with security in mind. Global reach. Projects often involve teams and stakeholders located in different parts of the world. AWS global network of data centers allows Basecamp to deliver its services efficiently and with low latency to users regardless of their geographical location. This ensures a smooth and responsive experience for everyone involved in your projects. Cost effectiveness. Building and maintaining a global infrastructure with the level of scalability, reliability, and security offered by AWS would be incredibly expensive and complex for an individual company. By utilizing AWS, Basecamp can focus on developing and improving its project management software while leveraging the cost-effectiveness of a shared infrastructure. What kind of data is stored on AWS? Essentially, everything you create and interact with within Basecamp is stored on AWS. This includes text-based data. This encompasses your to-do lists, messages in Campfire, the chat feature, discussions on message boards, project briefs, and any other text you input into the platform. Files, documents, images, videos, and any other files you upload to your projects are stored securely on AWS. Schedules and calendar events. Your project timelines, deadlines, and scheduled events are also part of the data stored within the AWS infrastructure. User information. Your account details, team member information, and project access permissions are also securely stored. Project configurations. How your individual projects are set up, including the tools you've enabled and any custom settings, are also part of the stored data. Think of AWS as the foundational digital storage space, and Basecamp's application as the organized filing system within that space, allowing you to access and manage your project information effectively.